Hey guys, so I'm about to do something that might be really stupid or really genius. I'm starting an AI business from literally $0. And I'm going to document the entire journey. Every win, every failure, all of it. And you're going to watch it happen in real time. Let's see if this works. Alright, so quick intro. My name is Alex, and honestly, I'm just a regular person trying to figure out this AI thing. I've been seeing all these videos about people making tons of money with AI, and I'm like, is this real, or is everyone just lying? So I decided, screw it, I'm going to test it myself and bring you guys along for the ride. No fake promises, no BS, just real results, whatever they turn out to be. If you're into that, hit subscribe, because this is going to be interesting. Here's my plan for the next 30 days. For week 1, I'm going to learn one AI tool. Just one, probably ChatGPT for content writing. I'm not going to try to learn everything at once. I feel like that's where most people fail. I keep seeing all these new AI tools pop up and thinking this could change everything. But I don't want to just talk about it. I want to do it. Maybe I'll fail. Maybe in 30 days I'll have made $0 and I'll look like a complete idiot. But at least I'll know. At least I tried. And maybe, just maybe, this actually works. And if it does, I'm bringing you all with me. So here's what I'm going to show you. Every week I'm posting an update video. In it, I'll show you what tools I'm using, what I'm learning, how I'm finding clients, and how much money I'm making or not making. I'll share my biggest mistakes and what's actually working. There will be no editing out the failures, no hiding the rejections. This is going to be raw. I'm also going to post shorts almost every single day, showing quick tips, behind-the-scenes footage, and real-time updates. Here's my promise to you. I'm committing to 30 days, minimum. 30 days of really trying this. 30 days of putting in the work. 30 days of showing you absolutely everything. And at the end, we'll see where we are. Maybe I'll have made $1,000. Maybe I'll have made nothing. But we will know the truth. And honestly, I'm excited. I'm definitely nervous, but I'm excited. All right, if you want to see how this journey goes, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment and let me know, are you trying to do something similar? What's stopping you? And if you have any advice, seriously, drop it in the comments. I need all the help I can get. I'm going to post my first update in about 3 days. That'll be my week 1 progress report. Let's see what happens. All right. Wish me luck. Let's go.